How to read/process command line arguments. I am originally a C programmer. I have seen numerous tricks and hacks to read many different arguments. What are some of the ways Python programmers can do this? Related. What's the best way to grab/parse command line arguments passed to a Python script? Implementing a command, action, parameter, style command line interfaces. How can I process command line arguments in Python? How do I format positional argument help using Python's octars?
The canonical solution in the standard library is argparse docs. Here is an example. Argparse supports, among other things, multiple options in any order, short and long options, default values, generation of a usage help message.
sys.argv is a list that contains all the arguments passed to the script on the command line. sys.argv0 is the script name. Basically,
just going around evangelizing for argparse, which is better for these reasons. Essentially, copied from the link. Argparse module can handle positional and optional arguments, while argparse can handle only optional arguments. Argparse isn't dogmatic about what your command line interface should look like. Options like file or /file are supported, as are required options. Argparse refuses to support these features, preferring purity over practicality. Argparse produces more informative usage messages, including command line usage determined from your arguments, and help messages for both positional and optional arguments. The argparse module requires you to write your own usage string, and has no way to display help for positional arguments. Argparse supports action that consume a variable number of command line args, while argparse requires that the exact number of arguments, for example 1, 2, or 3, be known in advance. Argparse supports parsers that dispatch to subcommands, while argparse requires setting allow_interspersed_args and doing the parser dispatch manually. And my personal favorite. Argparse allows the type and action parameters to add _argument to be specified with simple callables, while argparse requires hacking class attributes like store_actions or check_methods to get proper argument checking.
There is also argparse stlib module, an improvement on stlib's argparse module. Example from the Introduction to argparse. Usage.